Pro is an easy, one-step process to clean your motorcycle chain and is now available for vintage and modern motorcycles. It consists of a reservoir and 3 removable brushes. Simply pour in 2 ounces of cleaning fluid, seat the chain into the brushes, and slowly rotate the rear wheel. Remove Chain Cleaner Pro and empty the reservoir. Take out the brushes, wait about 15 minutes for the chain to dry, and apply your favorite chain lube. There's no mess on your shop floor to clean up, so you're ready to ride.